In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image gallery to Squarespace website. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. Head to the Pages panel so you can choose where the gallery will live. Open the page you want and click Edit to enter the page editor. Add a new section to the page. I like starting with a blank section so I have full control over spacing. Once the blank section is in place, click Add Block inside that section. Before we drop in the gallery itself, add a text block and type a short heading for the section, like Our Gallery, or anything that fits your brand. Use the text toolbar to style it as a heading so it matches your site's typography. Now add another block right beneath the heading and choose Gallery. Squarespace will insert a gallery block into the section. If you see options for gallery types, pick the style you prefer for now. You can always change it later. You can also mix text and gallery blocks side by side or stacked, so feel free to arrange them the way you like. If you prefer a faster starting point, you can add another section and browse the Images category to choose a pre-designed gallery layout. This gives you a polished structure right away that you can edit to fit your needs. Next, open Edit Gallery. Here you can upload images from your computer or select existing ones from your site library. Add as many as you need, and drag to reorder them so the most important visuals appear first. Click into any image to edit its details. Add a title and description if you want captions. Write concise alt text for accessibility and SEO, and adjust the focal point so key subjects stay centered when the layout crops. While you're here, explore the design settings for the gallery. You can switch between layouts like grid, masonry, or carousel, tweak columns, aspect ratio, spacing, and hover effects, and choose what happens on click, open in a lightbox, or link elsewhere. Keep an eye on how captions display so they're readable without crowding the images. When you're happy, click Save in the Gallery Editor. Then save the section or block changes, close the editor panel, and finally hit Save on the page to publish everything. Pro tips before you go. Use high-quality but optimized images to keep your site fast. Aim for consistent aspect ratios for a tidy grid. Use descriptive file names, and always preview on mobile to ensure the layout looks great everywhere. That's it. Your image gallery is live and ready to impress.